Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace Google Sheets with Coda and manage your data, workflows, and collaboration in a smarter and more powerful way in 2026. Google Sheets is great for basic spreadsheets, but Coda goes far beyond rows and columns. Start by moving your data into Coda by creating a new doc and importing your Google Sheets file directly. Once imported, your data becomes more flexible and interactive. You can convert sheets into tables, rename columns, and organize everything more clearly. Unlike Google Sheets, Coda lets you combine data, documents, and tools in one place. You can link tables together, create multiple views like board, calendar, or Gantt, and build dashboards that show real-time insights instead of static numbers. Use formulas that reference other tables, not just cells, making calculations easier and more powerful. Coda also replaces manual spreadsheet work with buttons, automations, and workflows. For example, one click can update a status, log an action, or move data between tables. Collaboration is more controlled with advanced permissions, comments, and page-level sharing. As your work grows, Coda scales better than spreadsheets by keeping everything connected and organized. That's it for today. If this guide helped you, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Start replacing Google Sheets with Coda today and experience a smarter, faster, and more flexible way to work in 2026